What's going on, guys? Welcome to Unbox the Box. Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be showing you guys how to replace Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 S Pen tips. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. It's just a simple click of a button. YouTube doesn't charge any money for that, but it helps me out a lot, so I really appreciate it. Also, hit the bell button and please don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers looking for help with their devices. If you watched my Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 unboxing and review video, you would know that in the box, along with a tablet and other accessories, came S Pen tips, removal tool, and replacement tips, which you will need in order to replace your old tip. And if you haven't watched that video, you can find it by clicking the video card in the top right corner. I'm sure you have noticed that there are two different colors of tips, gray and black. And the reason there's two different ones is because they both have a specific purpose. The one that comes on the S Pen from the box is black. This is very smooth, quiet, and it almost feels like it's made out of the rubber. So it'll probably work the best on your device, especially if you have a screen protector. The gray one is more sturdy. It's not as smooth as the black one, and it'll feel almost like a pen or pencil. So if you prefer more of a natural pen or pencil feel, you might want to use the gray tip. Now I will show you how to remove and replace the tips using the tip removal tool. It is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is simply place the S Pen in the center of a tip removal tool, squeeze it, and pull the tip out of the S Pen. Replacing the new tip is even easier. All you have to do is pick up the new tip and simply slide it back into S Pen. Now let's take a look whether there is any difference between both of the tips in terms of writing in Samsung Notes. And I'll try to tap both of them on the screen, and hopefully my mic will pick up the sound difference up for you guys, so you'll know what I mean when I say gray one feels a little more sturdy and not as smooth when the black one is more smooth and rubbery. Thank you very much for watching my video on how to replace Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 S Pen tips, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers who's looking for help with their devices. And if you're one of those people that like to help others, like myself, please subscribe, because even a click of a button can help make a difference in someone's life. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified for future awesome, helpful content.